Looking at somebody else's life is artificial. I wish I had their crib, wish I had their lifestyle. I wonder if they sad or they always keep a smile. Cause everything they got, all I ever need. Buying what they want, buying what they see. How can they be sad? They're like figured out. Then I thought about all the shit they going through, they don't post about. Notice how finally got what I wished for. I was happy for a few months, now I wanna get a lot more. Cause it only feel good once. Back then I would dream about things that seem so normal now. The shit I got just lay around, the shit that I don't even think about. Like damn, maybe I want too much, maybe I see too much. Maybe I shouldn't think about just getting more, but settle down with what I got. I can't.
Laittaa pulolta niin löysi kumipalasia ilmään.
Stop, I want the world, I won't ever fall. If it kills me then I love you all. Moving at the speed of light, going till the day I die. I've been getting ready for the ride, working every single night, never feeling satisfied. I've been getting ready for the ride. Every time I ride I put my heart in this. I gave my all to this and now I'm ready for the consequence. So if they ever take my soul, this the story that I never told. Everything not so perfect, I've been locked in working. People come in my life, telling me lies, trying to make it earn it. Telling me I'm the greatest, and they gon' put me on playlists. But I see through that shit, I'ma go turn myself to an A-list. I don't need no one dressing me, I don't need the label recipe. I cannot sell my soul, but sometimes I feel that's next to me. Everyone keep on pulling, hope I don't let go of my ways. I'ma just keep on pushing, let them all know I'ma keep my wave, yeah. Keep it real, that's boss talk, no collar, I'm a lost dog. misunderstood.